A. General knowledge. A. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? A. Homi Bhabha. B. Vikram Sarabhai. C. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. D. C.V. Raman. Answer C. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Though, what is the capital of Australia? A. Sydney. B. Melbourne. C. Canberra. D. Perth. Answer C. Canberra. Theme: the Constitution of India was adopted on A. The 15th of August 1947. B. The 26th of November 1949. C. The 26th of January 1950. D. The 2nd of October 1950. Answer B. The 26th of November 1949. Chart: the famous Ajanta caves are located in which state? A. Maharashtra. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Rajasthan. D. Karnataka. Answer Maharashtra. 5. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? A. Sarojini Naidu. B. Indira Gandhi. C. Pratibha Patil. D. Sushma Swaraj. Answer B. Indira Gandhi. Chair: the largest desert in the world is? A. Gobi Desert. B. Sahara Desert. C. Kalahari Desert. D. Thar Desert. Answer B. Sahara Desert. 7. Which Indian state is known as the land of 5 rivers? A. Haryana. B. Punjab. C. Himachal Pradesh. D. Uttarakhand. Answer B. Punjab. 8. Who invented the telephone? A. Alexander Graham Bell. B. Thomas Edison. C. Nikola Tesla. D. James Watt. Answer Alexander Graham Bell. No. What is the national animal of India? A. Elephant. B. Tiger. C. Lion. D. Peacock. Answer B. Tiger. Thus, where is the headquarters of ISRO located? Answer C. Bangalore. Though, English language. Yara. Choose the correct synonym for obsolete. A. Modern. B. Outdated. C. Stylish. D. Trendy. Answer B. Outdated. 12. Identify the correctly spelled word. A. Embarrass. B. Embarrass. C. Embarrass. D. Embarrass. Answer B. Embarrass. 13. Identify the correct passive voice. She wrote a novel. A novel is written by her. B. A novel was written by her. C. A novel has been written by her. D. A novel was being written by her. Answer B. A novel was written by her. 14. Find the correct sentence. A. He go to school every day. B. He goes to school every day. C. He going to school every day. D. He went to school every day. Answer B. He goes to school every day. 15. Fill in the blank. She has good mathematics. A. At. B. In. C. On. D. For. Answer at. 16. Choose the correct antonym for expand. A. Increase. B. Extend. C. Contract. D. Spread. Answer C. Contract. 17. What does the idiom hit the sack mean? A. To go to sleep. B. To get hurt. C. To fight with someone. D. To leave a job. Answer to go to sleep. 18. Choose the correct article. He bought apple from the store. A. B. An. C. The. D. No article. Answer B. An. 19. Identify the plural form of crisis. A. Crises. B. Crises. C. Crisis. D. Crises. Answer B. Crises. B's. Choose the correct sentence. A. She didn't told me the truth. B. She didn't tell me the truth. C. She don't tell me the truth. D. She doesn't told me the truth. Answer B. She didn't tell me the truth. Theme: Science. Ickies. What is the C unit of temperature? A. Celsius. B. Fahrenheit. C. Kelvin. D. Joule. Answer C. Kelvin. Bias. Which gas do plants use for photosynthesis? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Hydrogen. D. Nitrogen. Answer B. Carbon dioxide. Taste. What is the chemical formula of common salt? A. H2O. B. NaCl. C. DO2. Answer B. NaCl. Choice. Who discovered gravity? A. Isaac Newton. B. Albert Einstein. C. Galileo Galilei. D. Nikola Tesla. Answer, Isaac Newton. 25. Which part of the human body controls balance? A. Heart. B. Liver. C. Cerebellum. D. Lungs. Answer, C. Cerebellum. 26. Which vitamin is known as ascorbic acid? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin B. C. Vitamin C. D. Vitamin D. Answer, C. Vitamin C. 27. What is the process of water changing from liquid to gas? A. Condensation. B. Evaporation. C. Sublimation. D. Freezing. Answer, B. Evaporation. 28. Which blood group is known as the universal donor? A. B. C. AB. D. O negative. Answer, D. O negative. 29. What is the largest organ in the human body? A. Heart. B. Brain. C. Skin. D. Liver. Answer, C. Skin. 30. What kind of energy is stored in a stretched rubber band? A. Kinetic energy. B. Chemical energy. C. Potential energy. D. Nuclear energy. Answer, C. Potential energy.